Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to delete your Cash App account. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. So let's go ahead and open up our Cash app right here. And then we're going to be accessing our settings on the top right. So go right on ahead and click on this. Now in one of the options, we should be able to see support. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then in one of the options, we should see account and settings. So let's go ahead and click on this. And at the very bottom of these options, you should be able to see close your Cash App account. Now before closing your account, do make sure to go ahead and read through all of this, as this will permanently delete all of your account and any other accounts connected to it. So be sure to go ahead and be aware of any of this, and once that you're happy, just go ahead and click confirm. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.